Okay, so this is how the game works. You have to have the food on the crown, and there's forks hanging down from the crown. And you have to get all the food before the music stops. So let's play it. Okay guys, now we got it all set and we have all the food on. You need to be really careful. Okay guys, we're gonna see if I can get all these off before the music stops.
You gonna get it?
Hey guys, I got some turns. Now I got a couple. That was great. Now I'm gonna get my brother a turn. Okay, Seth, you ready?
Yep.
Are you sure? Sure you ready? Okay, open your mouth wide. You ready? You almost got it. You're doing like the fast floss. Okay, this was a lot of fun, and Stetson's eating his chocolate. Okay guys, that was a lot of fun, and I can't say anymore, but it was a lot hard. A lot more harder than we thought. So Stets, what did you think?
Oh, it was so awesome. I tried to eat the beef jerky. It was my best try.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. This is Jessa
And Stetson.
signing